In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of the red circle on Discord. If you've been seeing that annoying red circle or unread message badge on the Discord icon, and you'd rather not have it showing up all the time, this quick setting can help. Many people assume the red badge means there's still an unread message somewhere. But even after checking conversations and notifications, it can sometimes continue to appear. Fortunately, Discord includes an option that lets you disable this badge completely, and it only takes a few moments to change. To get started, open the Discord app on your computer and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once Discord is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the window where you'll find your profile section. This area contains several account-related options, including the settings menu you'll need for this change. Click the user settings icon to open your account preferences. This menu contains a wide variety of options that let you customize how Discord looks and behaves, including settings for your account, privacy, accessibility, and notifications. After the user settings menu opens, look at the list of categories on the left side. Under the app settings section, click on notifications. This page controls how Discord alerts you about messages, mentions, and other activity throughout the app. Once you're on the notifications page, look for the setting called Enable Unread Message Badge. It should appear near the top of the available notification options. If this setting is currently turned on, Discord will display the familiar red circle whenever it detects unread messages or notifications. Click the toggle next to Enable Unread Message Badge so that it switches off. When it's disabled, the toggle will no longer appear blue. As soon as this setting is turned off, Discord will stop showing the red unread message badge on the app icon, giving you a cleaner and less distracting experience while using the application. That's all there is to it. You don't need to make any additional changes or adjust any other notification settings. Simply turning off the unread message badge is enough to remove the red circle from the Discord icon while allowing you to continue using Discord normally. If you ever decide you'd like the unread badge back, you can return to the same notifications page and turn the option back on at any time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,